Hello, this is Andrew Patteson, Internet Manager with Hendrick Honda at 8901 South Boulevard in Charlotte. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to buy your new car online through us at our website, hendrickhonda.com. You don't need to interact with a salesperson or even speak with me. You can do everything from the comfort of your home or office right here on our website. To get started, choose our new or used vehicle inventory. Search for the vehicle that you're looking for. You can start right here at the top. We have everything organized where you can search by year, make, model, or color. Once you've selected the vehicle that you might be interested in purchasing, and you want to take a look at payment options, trade-in allowance, financing, or other items, all you have to do is click on the green Buy Online button to get started. Once you've selected the vehicle that you're interested in, based on your location, we'll automatically calculate the appropriate tax and tag for your state of residence. Scroll down to review prepaid maintenance options, or you can click on the video link for more information. You can also review our available extended service agreements for your vehicle. That way you can feel fully protected. We have our road hazard and car care programs, which are very popular from Hendrick Auto Guard. If you have a vehicle to trade in, just begin by entering the year, make, and model of your vehicle, along with the approximate mileage. Tell us honestly if you think your vehicle is in good condition, or if maybe there are a few things that need a little bit of work. It's that easy. You'll receive an online trade estimate in just seconds. On the next screen, you'll be able to estimate your monthly payments and customize the options for what fit your needs and budget best. You can use these handy sliders to adjust the amount of cash down and the term of the loan as well. Once you've made your selections, you can proceed with your purchase online by clicking Checkout. If you're not sure if you're ready to make the purchase or not, you can also save your transaction and you can come back to it for a revision at a later date. If you decide to proceed, go ahead and fill out all of the buyer information online, and you can save more time by uploading your driver's license, your insurance information, and you can fill out our secure online credit application. Thank you for taking the time to check out our Hendrick Honda Buy Online process. If you have any questions at all, give me or a member of our team a call today at 704-552-3300.